Are you a small business owner looking to see what it's like to go to a farmer's market and get a breakdown of cost of the vendor fees, the cost of the sales that we've done? We are going to try to do our best to document that, and here's episode 3 of today's market breakdown. All right, so just spent $11.85 for drinks before we even left yet. We are getting later and later on in the day. I already have to go back to the house because I don't think I locked the front door, so let's go do that. All right, so we are officially set up for today. Got the kids all set up for their passes for today. We'll factor that in, and let's get it going. All right, so we made our first sale of the day. $5 keychain. We took off 50 cents since she always comes to our booth, checks us out, and she always tells us how good it looks and everything like that. So we hooked it up a little bit. It's very much appreciated. Got us a start for today. All right, we're about to spend another $2 because Broly wants to freaking attempt to get a plushie for his sister.
I just said thank
All right.
you. That's a $2. That's $1.
Yeah, maybe you got lucky. You caught onto the side of the thing, buddy. Let's just say that didn't go too well, to say the least. Let's continue on with the day. We got our second sale of the day. It was a jumbo axolotl and a donut spider. So this guy right here, and this guy right here. All right, so we've had some technical difficulties with our little card reader, but we just sold a pocket peeps bag, small little pocket peeps. We also sold a bone dragon saw, a straw buddy, and a keychain, and a combo keychain pack. All right, so today was a bit on the slower side. We have grossed a total of $71. We had 7 sales, averaged about $10.14 per customer. We did $5.50 in discounts today, and we made a net sale of $65.50. $54.60, 66 cents were card orders, $16.24 were cash, $2.33 went to fees. So the net total for that was $68.57, and majority of our sales were keychains today. So the fees we had to take out for today is the vendor fee, a portion of what the monthly bill is for kids being at the field. And the reason why we're talking about this today is not every day is going to be perfect when you do these markets. So we didn't make very much today, as you guys can see. Being transparent with you guys is what we want to prioritize, and letting you guys know if there's something you may or may want to do. And the hours that we actually spent at the place, we got there at about 12-ish. We finished setting up, I would say 12:20-ish with everything. And we stayed till literally about 5 o'clock and then ended it. Some notes too for this one. We may not do the Sunday one unless we really aren't going to do anything, because we'd rather make something than make nothing. So that'll be determining the Sunday ones. But we are going to try something out this week, potentially. And we will let you guys know in the weekly vlog if it happens for next week, or you guys will know from a post on our Instagram page. So make sure you guys do check out our Instagram. We're doing kind of more daily updates on there via pictures and posts and locations where we're going to for farmers markets. So stay tuned for that and check it out. It's very much appreciated. And other than that, check us out for another time for a market breakdown. We'll talk soon.